Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 10.1, question 1. In the given figure, side AB congruent side CB. Angle 1 congruent angle 2. Then prove that triangle ABD congruent triangle CB. Its statement, reason, in triangle ABD corresponding triangle CBE, it's given AB and in this triangle CB are congruent. Angle 1, angle 2, also given. Angle B is common. Side, angle, triangle ABD congruent triangle CBE, side, angle, congruent side, angle, which is proved. Exercise 10.3, question 1. In the given figure, AB congruent DC, AD congruent BC, then prove that angle A congruent angle C, and also prove that angle ABC congruent angle ADC. Statements, reasons, in triangle ABD corresponding triangle CDB, it's given AB congruent DC, AB DC, which is given. AD BC, which is also given. So DB is common in both the triangle. Side, congruent triangle ABD corresponding triangle CDB. For finding the angle A congruent angle C with the help of CPCT rule. CPCT mean corresponding angle of congruent triangle. For finding the angle ABC, we label the diagram angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 1 congruent angle 3 can be found out by using the CPCT rule, and also angle 2 congruent angle 4 can be found out by using the CPCT rule. Angle 1 corresponding angles are congruent triangles, which is equation 1, angle 4, sorry, angle 2 congruent angle 4, which is equation 2, corresponding angle congruent triangles. From equation 1 and 2, angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to angle ABC. Adding equation 1 and 2, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, adding angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to angle ABC congruent 3 and 4 is equal to ADC, angle ADC, which is the required proof by the figure. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ABC, angle 3 and angle 4. The addition of angle 3 and angle 4 is equal to angle ADC, which is the required proof. Now, exercise 10.4. In the given figure, triangle PAB, in which side PQ perpendicular side AB and side PA congruent side PB, then prove that side AQ congruent side BQ, and also prove that angle APQ congruent angle BPQ. Statement. Reason. In triangle APQ, corresponding triangle BPQ, APQ, BPQ, the side PQ perpendicular AB means angle AQP and angle BQP are equal to 90 degree. Angle Q P congruent angle BQP given dash each angle is equal to 90 degree. PA PB which is also given. So the common is PQ. We know that the triangle APQ has 6 component and triangle PBQ is also 6 component. The total component will become 12 and 12 component made 6 pairs of components in which 3 are used for making the corresponding congruent triangles, pair 1, pair 2 and pair 3. With the help of these 3 pairs we can make these 2 triangles congruent. And its postulate can be written H hypotenuse side congruent hypotenuse side when any pair is equal to 90 degree, then its postulate can be written as hypotenuse side congruent hypotenuse side. For finding the value of AQ congruent BQ, we use the simplicity rule. Corresponding sides congruent triangles. For finding the angle APQ, congruent angle BPQ, we again use simplicity rule. Angle APQ and angle BPQ is congruent, which can be found out by using the simplicity rule, which is the required proof. Exercise 10.4, question 2. In the given figure, angle C congruent angle D equal to 90 degree, side BC congruent side AD, and its proof, side AC congruent BD, and angle BAC congruent angle ABD. So its statements become and reason. Triangle ABD corresponding BAC. angle C equal to angle D 90 degree. ABD in triangle ABD angle D congruent. In triangle BAC angle C is 90 degree. Each angle 90 degree. BC and AD BC, which is also given. So AB is common in both the triangle. Triangle ABD congruent triangle BAC. Its postulate can be written due to 90 degree hypotenuse side congruent side. So side AC and side BD can be find out by using the CPCT rule. Sides triangles. There are total 6 pairs in the two triangles. Pairs are component in the two triangles, in which 3 pairs can be used for making the triangle congruent, and remaining 3 can be used by using the CPCT rule, in which one is used side AC congruent BD by using the CPCT rule, and an other angle BAC and ABD can also be found out by using the CPCT rule. Angle BAC congruent angle ABD corresponding angles of congruent triangles.
Thanks for watching the video. At the end, if you still not subscribe my channel, it is requested to subscribe my channel, like it and share it and press the bell icon so that more and more video can be reached on you. Jazakallah.